English sentences for daily use. Hello. Hello. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. I am great. I am great. I am not bad. I am not bad. I am at home. I am at home. I am inside. I am inside. I am outside. I am outside. I am on my way. I am on my way. What time is it? What time is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where is it? Where is it? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you want? What do you want? I want it. I want it. What do you need? What do you need? I need something. I need something. I want love it. I want love it. I want more. I want more. I want less. I know. I know. Do you know? Do you know? I don't know. I don't know. I don't want. I don't want. What do you know? What do you know? What do you think? What do you think?